Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Enemy UAV overhead.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
You've got a loadout drop inbound. Contract failed. Objective lost.
Hold on. This motherfucker hit me with a fucking helicopter. He hit me with a fucking helicopter and kept on going. Some nigga. I had no reaction. All I did was look at my map and I looked up. As soon as I looked up, I got hit.